Ciao for everyone, I'm Antonio from Olive Amalfi Coast. Today on Mangia Monday we make orecchietti, broccoli e salsiccia. You ready? I'm ready. We start. Now we boiled the broccoli until the half cooked. Okay, now we take the sausage out the casing. Cut 1/4 of an onion. Hot a pan with olive oil, cook the onion. Cook the sausage. Add white wine. Add the cooked broccoli and salt. Salt and orecchietta to the boiling water. Cook until very al dente. Add the orecchietta to the pan. Add olive oil and Parmesan cheese. Now we mix and plate. Okay, now my favorite time, I try. Molto buono, very good. Buon appetito a tutti, ciao!